Hello, Skeem Saka. Hello, Zitandwa Sezulu. Thank you so much for being here, guys. I appreciate you so much. Thank you for the support. Thank you for everything. Today, family, I'm so tired. Kukhathalekile from yesterday's travels and all of that. But we decided to wake up and prepare just a simple, quick, lazy meal because the guys came to work at the house. They were installing the solar. So I just prepared just a quick meal for them. And later on, I decided to do the muffins. Guys, at this point, my family is obsessed with muffins. Like every 2 seconds, muffins. But anyway, I'm enjoying it. As long as they are happy, I am happy. So family, please do enjoy, and thank you so much for the support. Please do engage with me in the comment section. Let me know what you think. What more would you like to see on my channel? I would really appreciate your comments and interactions. I love you guys so much. Please do enjoy. See you later. Bye.
To be honest, I don't think about you. To be honest, I got better things to do. To be honest, I don't care that we're over. Been fine since you told me you don't love me anymore. To be honest, I like sleeping alone. Yeah, I'm totally okay on my own. I don't even need your arms around me. I don't need you to tell me it's gonna be alright, my love. You think I'm lying to myself, but the truth is I don't need you. 'Cause I'm one in a million, and that means I'll find a better you someday. To be honest, I don't miss you. To be honest, I don't think about her. Your new girlfriend, now she's your whole world. I don't mind you posting pictures. I could watch those photos 10 times. I swear I feel nothing at all. You think I'm lying to myself, but the truth is I don't need you. 'Cause I'm one in a million, and that means I'll find a better you someday. To be honest, I don't miss you. To be honest, I don't miss you. To be honest, I don't miss you. But I'm lying to myself, 'cause the truth is I still need you. You're one in a million, and that means I'll never find another you can. To be honest, I miss you. 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 Listen for me in a violin. Listen for me when the knife is turning. Listen for me when the world is burning. Babe, would you listen for me? Listen for me in a crowded street. Listen for me in a winning streak. Listen for me